Right, what I want to go through now is an unscheduled update for MazaCAM. You would have been sent a link which will take you to Dropbox. So open the link, let that load, go download, direct download. In this case it's been blocked, but what we'll just say is yeah, we want to keep it because we know it's safe. Have a look now, that's saved it to my downloads directory. So what I want to do is on the desktop just create a folder and drop the downloaded file into that folder. You can now close these down. Open that. Right, so now we select the downloaded file, right click, go to properties, and if it's got this down here, if it says it's blocked, we need to unblock it and apply. Okay, it might be that when you open it up you don't see the unblock down here. If that's the case, just go OK. It's now unblocked. So right click on the file again and extract all. Right, this will automatically create a subfolder. What is best to do is just get rid of that subfolder so it downloads into the folder we've created. So extract that. Okay, in this case we've extracted 4 files. So we need to select those 4 files, copy them, find our SLN file, SLN folder, right click and paste. We want to replace all existing files. Okay, that is now completed a unscheduled update.